In today's video, I'll show you how to clear all watched videos history on Facebook. So, if you've been watching videos on Facebook and now want to delete your watched videos history, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines, profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Now tap on Activity Log. Inside the Activity Log, you'll see multiple categories. Tap on Videos you've watched. Here, you can view the complete list of all videos you've watched on Facebook. To clear this history, tap on Clear Video Watch History. Facebook will ask for confirmation. Simply tap Clear again, and that's it. Your watched videos history on Facebook has been successfully cleared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.